This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, May 25th. We're celebrating spring. I'm Olivia Mudd. You know that the end of the school year is near when you hear two things: testing and spring sports playoffs. SOL testing continues with testing in Geometry and Algebra 1 today through Friday. In sports, the Maury baseball team lost to Indian River 5-2, finishing a solid season at 13-7. In Monday's tennis action, Ethan Willingham lost in the singles final to Robert Levin of Princess Anne, but qualified for the Region 5A South playoffs. Ethan teamed up with Harrison Gray in the doubles final but lost. Yesterday, the girls' soccer team defeated Salem 8-0 to advance to the regional playoffs regardless if they lose in the tournament final.
Okay, now say it.
Now here's Lila Rabeau with all the details about today's action. Maury still has teams in the hunt for a state title. Right, Lila?
That's right, Olivia. The regional tennis playoffs begin today at Old Dominion University. Tonight, the boys soccer team takes on the Princess Anne Cavaliers in the Atlantic Conference semifinals. The match begins at 7 o'clock p.m. at Maury High School. The weather looks great for today's action, so get out and support the Commodores.
Thanks, Lila. Now here's your Commodore Community Calendar for May 25th. You're up to date for Wednesday. I'm Olivia Mudd. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.